Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to insert Enye symbol in Word document. If you have a number pad on the right side of your keyboard, this is the classic old school way. It works in Word browser and almost any Windows app. So for the lowercase Enye symbol, you need to hold the Alt key and on the numeric side keypad, press 164 and release the Alt key. And for the uppercase Enye symbol, you need to hold the Alt key and press 165 and release the Alt key. So there is another unique trick specific to the Microsoft Word. Every character has a hexadecimal code. If you type the code and hit a specific shortcut, Word transforms the number into the symbol. For the lowercase, you need to type 00F1 and press the Alt X all together. And here it is. And for the uppercase, you need to type 00D1 and press the Alt X all together. Moreover, Word has a built-in sequence command for accents. You don't need to click any menus, just use your keyboard. For the lowercase Ni symbol, you need to press Ctrl, Shift and tilde key and then immediately press N and you will see that a lowercase ny symbol. So for the uppercase, you need to press the Ctrl, Shift, tilde key and plus N altogether. And here it is, you can see that. Moreover, there is another alt code which you can use to type the lowercase Ny symbol. For this, you need to press the Alt key and on the numeric side keypad, press 0241 and release the Alt key. And for the uppercase Ny symbol, you need to hold the Alt key and press 0209 on the numeric side keypad and release the Alt key. And here it is. So with these way, you can easily insert Ny symbol in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.